Hey, Brian Sullivan, founder of Precise Selling, with a little tip for you. All right, your subconscious. Let's talk about the stuff that's in your brain all throughout the day. Now, that subconscious is a lot like your body's hard drive. It gets programmed each time you think, every time you speak, every time you act out something. And once the hard drive becomes programmed with the same material repeatedly, it shapes every one of your thoughts and actions. Let me give you an example. Negative people. We all know negative people. Now, negative people, they see only the bad in most things. And of course, their hard drive is programmed to look for the bad. The downside is it clouds their ability to find the good, even if it seems really obvious to others. Now, on the other hand, folks who consistently program their brain with positive thoughts, they program the drive to see good, even when others can't. Here's the good news. You have control over what's programmed in your hard drive. So to teach your brain to see things in a whole new way, you have to remember that every word, every thought, every action has either a positive or a negative effect on your hard drive. So this week, pay close attention to those thoughts, even the words you're using, your facial expressions, and then your actions. And if they seem to be more negative than positive, just stop. Don't let the virus affect the hard drive. Because a hard drive that's free from negativity is one that runs a lot faster. Of course, it's easier to work with, and it won't lock up when it's time to perform. So, hope you enjoyed this tip. We'll see you next time.